Okay, here how we can make a development environment for the Python programming. So here is the bare version, the Windows 10, and to install the Python, we click the browser. Yeah, any type of internet browser can be possible, and just I use the Internet Explorer. And for the installation of Python, we have to access to the Python the homepage. The homepage URL is www.python.org. So www.python.org. Yeah, we can access this homepage, and there is some menu, and mouse over here downloads. We can see that there is the downloads for Windows. The version is 3.8.5. So we click this button, and then yeah, you show that there is some message. What do you want to do with Python 3.8.5.exe, this file, and I want to save. So save as, and yeah, here is the exe extension file here. And I want to download this file to the downloads. So just click save, and it starts to download the exe file. And I click the Windows Explorer program and click the downloads. And this 3.8.5 file is downloading. And this progressive, the percentage shows that when we can see that the completion of the downloading, and almost there, the 86, 87, 88. So yeah, completion of the downloading the file. So the file name is Python and 3.8.5. And one more option, you click the view tab in the Explorer. So here, the view, click view, and you can see that here, file name extensions. So click this file name extension, and you can see that the extension. So the default is there is the no click this option. So there is just Python -3.8.5, but we need to show the extension, the each file. So view and click the file name extensions, and then you can see that the extension.exe. Yeah, that is the better to programming for us. So to installation the Python, we just click the Python this exe file. So double click here, and then we show the Python installation the guide, the panel. And here that yeah, we need to check this option, add Python 3.8 to pass. So when you click this option, and you can find the Python on the anywhere you can find the Python. This is very useful the option. So please click the add Python 3.8 to pass, and then click the install now. So click install now, and yes, the installation is started, and it may take some minutes. So the progress bar shows that the installation is the half of the time, and we limit some time, and we don't know how many minutes will be limited. So almost there. So if you don't install the Python, so please install the Python in your own computer. So for the solving the keys, yeah, you have to get the Python on your computer. Okay. So install Python is almost there. The completion is almost there. and there's the useful, the option is over here, the disable path length limit. So just click this option and yes, and close. So the Python is installed on your computer. So if you want to check the Python command in your computer, here the type here to search the the panel, you just click that CMD. So CMD, you can see the command prompt. So click the command prompt. Here is the command prompt, the program is such as like the emulated those program on your Windows. So in here you just type that Python. So the Python and enter, you can see that Python 3.8.5 and blah blah blah, and then the 3 triple the shape will be show that this prompt. This is the successfully the installation of the Python. So if you want to quit exit from this prompt, quit and open pattern and close pattern. So this is the successfully the installation. And if you don't install this program, maybe the Python and enter, you can see that any error, we can find the Python command right there. Okay, so okay, one more time, the CMD and command prompt, and you type the Python and you can enter to the Python to interpret the program, and you just 3 and enter. You can see that 3 and 3 plus 2 and enter, that is 5, and quit. Okay, exit. And there is one more Python. There is some useful apps, and click here the idle Python. So click here, and you can see that Python interpreter, that is the Python the default version. And so 3 enter, and 2 plus 2 enter 4, and 5 minus 3 and 2. And you can execute this Python program by file, a new file. So click file and new file, and here is the editor, such as like editor, and you can write some Python sentences. So print function is very useful function, that is just print out the something in the parentheses. So print 2 or print 1 plus 2, and save as, and I want to save this file into the downloads folder. So here, and the file name is 20201234, and save. And you can find that this file 20201234.py, this file is here, and you run and run module. Click run module, and you can see that the result is here. And you can modify the program, such as like that. Hello. Yeah, there is a quotation mark, the double quotation mark and single quotation mark. Anything is okay. So double quotation mark, and close double quotation mark, that is the string, and we will learn about this string in the next week. So print hello and save and run module. You can see that hello and 3. So this is a very simple way to run the Python program on your computer. So I want you to install the Python program on your program, and then you can use the any other very useful and visualized tool is right there. So I think that the PyCharm is also very useful, and Python the very high the productive the program. And the explanation about this PyCharm is explained to the STAMUK the week 1. So if you when you watch the week 1 contents, you can install PyCharm and use this development tools. And there is some more MS Code. Yeah, MS Code Studio. This is also useful the program. And there's some more the user program. Okay, there's the do you know about this site that is repl.it? So if you want to install the Python in your program, you can develop the program in the web browser. So log in your program, and then there is some panel, and in this site you can make your program and Python and C++. I know that the JavaScript, yeah, the program is possible. So if you want to develop the program in the browser, just this using the browser, you can use the repl.it site. Okay, I have done with the installation the Python program on your computer. If you have any question, please leave your question on the Blackboard, the discussion board. Thank you.